In this video, I'm going to show you how to track a phone's GPS location with just a simple SMS command. Stay tuned to find out how. Step 1. Download and install the app called mSpy on your phone. It's available for both iOS and Android. And note that you can still track a remote device without installing any app on the remote device. And there are other apps that provide similar features. Step 2. You can choose from a variety of subscription plans that suit your needs depending on how many features you need and how long you need to monitor the phone. The app also supports free trial so you can see how the app works before committing yourself to purchasing a plan. Step 3. Once you have an mSpy account, you'll need to install the mSpy app on the target phone that you want to monitor. This is a simple process that involves downloading and installing the app on the phone. Once installed, the app will run silently in the background of the phone without the user knowing. But since we are interested in the SMS tracking feature, you can still do it without installing the mSpy app on the remote device. Step 4. Once the app is installed on the target phone, you can log into your mSpy account from any device with internet access to view the phone's location. You can also do this by visiting the mSpy website and logging in using your mSpy account credentials. Step 5. To track the phone's GPS location via SMS, you can send an SMS command to the phone using a separate phone or a computer. This will generate a URL that can be sent via SMS to this phone. This command will activate GPS tracking on the target phone, allowing you to track its location remotely. Note that the user will have to click on the link in the SMS and agree to send their location before the actual location information can be sent, to avoid the app being used to stalk someone without their permission. Now, step 6. Once the target phone has sent its location data to the mSpy server, you can view the phone's location on a map from your mSpy account. This is a powerful feature that lets you see exactly where the phone is at all times, making it perfect for keeping tabs on your kids or your employees. So basically, that's how you can use mSpy to track the GPS location of a remote phone via SMS. Whether you are a concerned parent or a business owner, mSpy is a powerful tool that can help you keep tabs on what's going on with your target phone. Just remember to use it responsibly and only with the explicit consent of the phone's owner. Now click on the video that is on your screen now and then like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.